Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it, and now we have to tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got reset up preferences, so just tap on it and your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset. And actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.